Good morning, student. Coming to the active and passive. First, what is sentence? Sentence has two parts. Main important parts, subject and verb. Third is object. Subject, that is the doer of any particular thing. We can say is noun also. Object is on which action is done, and verb, that is the action. For example, Rama writes a story. Here Rama is the subject, writes is a verb, and a story is object. What is going on? Doer is Rama. Who is writing the story? Rama. Writes is a verb, that is simple present tense, and a story here is an object. Now let us come. What are the rules? The sentence is in active voice and we want to convert it into passive voice. Rule number one, when we are converting active to passive, subject becomes object and object becomes subject. That is the main important thing. Second rule, never change the tense of the sentence. Rule number third is verb often passive will convert into third form. Example, we can say present tense, that is we can say simple present tense. It attach as to the verb. Mother cooks the food. Here mother is doer, we can say subject who is doing an action. Subject is mother, cooks is verb. What action is going on? Cooks. Food is an object. How it changes, let us see. Subject become object, object takes place of the subject. Likewise, the food will come at the first place. The food cooks. Place place of subject. Now cook. Cooks become cooked in case of passive voice. Now is or was and by. Is the singular, are is plural. The food is singular. Therefore, is. The food is cooked by whom? By mother. Isn't it easy? When we are changing the subject and object alternatively and changing it to the verb V3, third form of the verb. Take another example. Raman is writing a story. Which is tense? Present continuous tense. Raman is the subject over here. Is writing is verb and a story is an object. Subject stay in the position of object and object will take the position of subject. Likewise, a story will come At the first, a story. Put subject position. Is writing. We get converted into V3. Return. Third form of the verb. Now story is a singular. Therefore, which form of the verb will come in? Is being. Are being. Is being is for singular. Are being is for plural. Now story is a singular. A story is being written by whom? By Raman. A story is being written by Raman. When there is action is going on, he is writing, was writing, it will take the position of being.